Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. Today's video is all about the NIRA Laser Mother's Day sale. For a limited time, you can shop the entire site at 20% off, so now's the perfect time to shop for you or anyone on your shopping list for Mother's Day, or to stock up on skincare. In today's video, I'm going to tell you all about the NIRA Pro Plus Laser and how it's different from the original NIRA Pro. I'll tell you about how I'm still using my NIRA Precision in my beauty device routine, and hopefully answer all of the questions you have about these lasers because I read all the comments that come through all my videos, so I know what the top FAQs are. And I'll also talk you through the NIRA Skincare that's also part of the sale. So we have a lot to cover today, but before we get started, if you're new here, hi, my name's Trina. I'm 49 years old. I make videos mostly about beauty devices, so if you're interested in this topic, I would love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. I'm also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and I'll leave links to all of this down in the description so you can go check it out later. If at any time you want to shop the NIRA sale, head down to the description below where I'll have links and my promo code so you can save at checkout. And NIRA Laser does ship to the US and the UK and Europe, so if you're watching from any of those locations, you can take advantage of the sale. And as always, I set up chapters in this YouTube video so you can skip around if there's a specific section of the video that you're most interested in. So I'm really excited to offer you this 20% off for Mother's Day because many of you were disappointed that you missed the 20% offer when the NIRA Pro Plus first launched. And this time around, you have until May 11th to take advantage of the promo. So if you are looking to shop anything on the NIRA site for Mother's Day, because they have been known to sell out in the past, now is the time to shop. So now is the perfect time to stock up on skincare, to buy that laser that you've had your eye on, or to shop for anyone on your Mother's Day shopping list, whether you want to get them skincare to go along with their NIRA lasers they already have, or if you want to get them a NIRA laser they don't have yet. It's the perfect time to shop to lock in your savings. So why shop the NIRA Pro Plus laser? I will give you a quick rundown of the specs if you missed my last video when this laser launched, just to break down why it's so much better than the original NIRA Pro laser. The NIRA is a non-fractional laser, and this technology is the same laser technology that you would find in the dermatologist's office, but you can use it in just minutes a day in the comfort of your own home. The NIRA Pro Plus laser is faster and stronger than the original, and you can get done with your entire face in just 2 minutes, whereas the original version took 3 minutes. And that's when you're just working on your face. If you're doing your neck and your chest and the back of your hands, obviously you have to add on more treatment time based on how much surface area you're covering. However, it's a pretty big improvement to get done with your face 35% faster with the NIRA Pro Plus laser. So faster treatment time is number one, and then it's a lot stronger. The original Pro laser had 2 watts, and this one has 3 watts. So you're getting 50% more power. It has more joules, 6.9 joules, whereas the original had 6.5 joules. It has a higher energy density and a higher power density. The laser still has 5 comfort levels. You can adjust the level from 1 to 5 based on what feels the best for your skin because it should never hurt. And what this laser is doing is it's using heat to warm up the water in your dermis to stimulate collagen production. So as long as you feel the laser working, as long as you feel the warmth on your skin, you feel the heat, it's working. You don't need to worry about using it on level 5. Personally, I like to use this laser on level 3. That's what feels most comfortable to me, but you can definitely adjust it based on your comfort level. And that's the same as the original laser, so that hasn't changed. The way you use the laser hasn't changed. What's changed is it's faster and it's stronger. And you will notice the fan going on to cool down the laser as needed, and that's totally normal. It will go on and off as needed, and a lot of people comment about that. That's just what cools down the laser mechanism. Because this laser is cordless, you charge it up with the charging cable, and then it's cordless. It's really, really portable and easy to use, easy to hold. But because it's a standalone cordless device, it needs the fan to cool down the laser. So that's completely normal. Because the lasers have 5 comfort levels, you should adjust the level so that it is pain-free and there is no downtime, no redness. You just use the laser as part of your daily routine and that's it. This laser is so easy, especially for people that are really busy or you're going to be traveling a lot this summer. If you have a NIRA laser, you can just grab it and bring it with you and stay on track with your results. Some more reasons to shop the NIRA Pro Plus laser, besides the fact that it's on sale. This laser is made in the US. The NIRA headquarters and factory are in New Hampshire, in New England, in the United States. So the lasers are manufactured here in the US. So if you're looking to shop products from the US, These days, you can count on NIRA to be made in the USA. As I mentioned earlier, if you are watching from abroad, they do ship to the UK and to Europe, so you can take advantage of the sale if you're watching from those locations. NIRA lasers are clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles in just 90 days or you get your money back. And that's another big reason why I like to recommend the NIRA laser, because if it doesn't work out for you for any reason, you can get your money back. And because it's clinically proven and I've tested it on my own skin and I know it works, I confidently recommend it to you. You can use the NIRA Pro Plus all over your face, so you can treat your 11s, your forehead lines, your crow's feet, your cheeks, your jawline, underneath your chin here, your turkey neck. You can do your neck, your chest, and the back of your hands. I like to use my NIRA Precision Laser on the inner corners of my eyes here because I get darkness here in the inner corners of my eye, and this laser really helps to keep this area nice and bright. I also like to use this laser on my hooded eyes because the opening is a lot smaller here than the Pro Plus. I just don't have a lot of surface area on my hood here, and I don't like to put the laser anywhere near my eyeball, so I really like to use the NIRA Precision Laser on my hoods. I can really get into my hood, be really precise in the laser pulses right where I need them. And it really makes sense that this laser is called the Precision Laser. People also really like to use this laser right here in their nasolabial folds and their marionette lines and around the lips, around the perimeter of the lips, and to treat any lip lines that are coming in. The laser head just gets right in to these areas so well. Many people like to use both of these together and treat their face, their neck, their chest, and the back of their hands in just a few minutes, and then come back with the NIRA Precision and do the inner corners of their eyes, their hoods, and any other areas like the lines around their mouth. So I know that getting both lasers is not attainable to everyone watching, but I know there's a lot of you that have both lasers just like I do. It's really nice to know that there are many people out there that have both NIRA lasers and use them both like I do, but it's not necessary. You don't have to get both. You can do one or the other based on the areas that you're trying to treat. And not only do people see improvement in fine lines and wrinkles being smoothed out from this laser, customers have also reported improvements in skin tone, skin sagging, and skin texture. The lasers are safe for all skin types and all skin tones. The lasers are FDA cleared and they come with a warranty. All the things that I'm always looking for before I recommend a device to this community, NIRA offers. Another reason I really like these lasers is because they're so easy to charge up and travel with. We are heading into the summer months. It's travel season coming up. I'm going to continue to travel with these because it's just so easy to just throw them in my carry-on bag and bring them on the plane. And the treatment time is over so quickly, it doesn't really cut into my vacation time. I like to use these lasers as part of my morning routine, and I make it a habit. I get up and brush my teeth, and then I use my lasers, and I'm done in just minutes a day. That's what works best for me, but you can use the lasers whenever it makes sense for you. If you are someone that likes to stick to a routine and use your devices every single day without thinking about it, the NIRA laser is a great pick for you. It really becomes habit if you can work it into your morning or nighttime routine. Right after you brush your teeth, you grab your NIRA laser and you do the treatment. If you think that that kind of schedule is going to help you stay consistent with a beauty device, then the NIRA laser is a perfect choice for you because these devices take time to stimulate collagen that eventually comes to the surface of the skin to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles and help with sagging skin and lift and tighten your hooded eyes, for example. But it takes time for those results to show up. And it also takes time to maintain those results. So if you are the type of person that would rather just not think about it and have to build out a custom schedule of like, when am I using it, on which days of the week, and you know you're just gonna grab them and use them every single day, then this is a no-brainer, really good pick for you. That's one of the reasons I really like the NIRA laser and like to recommend it to people, especially if you're really busy or you don't really wanna spend the time building out a schedule and creating a calendar for your devices. If you know that you always have to use this for a couple minutes every day for the best results, then this is a really good pick for you. I've been using the NIRA lasers for years and I swear by them, and they absolutely do work as long as you use them every single day. And it's okay if you miss a day here and there, but try to be consistent in using them every single day and you will see the best results. And the NIRA Pro Plus launched an app that you can use to track your results and get rewarded for consistency. So I highly recommend you go check out that app. It's a really cool addition that NIRA rolled out just recently when the NIRA Pro Plus first launched. Now, because these lasers use heat to stimulate collagen and they're heating up the water in your dermis, it is very important to deeply hydrate your skin when you are done with each treatment. And I love the NIRA Skincare because it's clean, it feels really nice on the skin, and it's effective. This is the Moisture Lock Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And this is the first step in the skincare routine after you use your lasers. And hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So when you put it on, it's going to plump up your skin. And then you need to follow up with the Youth Renewal Peptide Cream. This is a moisturizer, and the moisturizer is going to help seal in all of that moisture. This is also a really nice clean formula. It has peptides, vitamin C and E, and B3, and caffeine. So using these two together are going to deeply hydrate your skin. They're going to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, plump up your skin, and over time you're going to see cumulative results by adding all of these wonderful actives to your skin every single day. And because you are supposed to use these every single day, it's the perfect time to stock up on these because they're 20% off. And if you're shopping for someone who already has the NIRA lasers, I'm sure they would love to get a new set of skincare because they will use them up as you're supposed to use them every single day. So that will be such a nice gift for Mother's Day. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the lasers or the skincare, anything that I went over today, please drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. If you're interested in shopping anything that I covered today, make sure to head down to the description below where I'll have links and my promo code, and make sure to take advantage of the sale while it's still going on and while supplies are still in stock. I would hate for you to miss out. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, share with a friend, and make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!